Nigerian Dwarf, or we could get a baby, I think Lamancha. One of the babies will pick us. That would be cool, wouldn't it? Be like, Matt, I love you, fishers.
That's kind of creepy that they would know our names, but
It'd be creepy if the goat could talk too.
yeah.
What do you think, JoJo? She's like, I want to get out. She's like, I don't like this car ride. It's so loud.
Yeah, it's like
I'm going to learn how to
milk one.
milk the goat. So that's going to be exciting. Hopefully we can do all this before it starts raining, because 2 to 3 weeks after this point, and we're going to be able to pick up our goats. Y'all excited?
Yes.
How about that song that Omi used to sing? Alimanian, sun, Swenson and the sea, Swenson and the
On the way.
Swenson and the hood. Comes from extremely milky lines, and actually her dad's my permanent grand champion. Ready? Hit. And we just release it. So it's all about catching the milk and then just letting it out. Okay, so you're catching, it's like right here, right where the teat meets the udder. And goat's udders, different than cow's udders. You don't pull down on the teat at all. She'll let you know that it doesn't feel good. She does that like, hey, hold on. We catch. What you doing, Joe?
Spit it out.
Yeah. It's hard when it's hard from that angle anyways. I do two hands. It's kind of hard. I don't know if you want to come to the side or whatever, but yeah. Her mom this year is putting out probably, I don't know how much you think that's putting out. Her Erie. Gallon a quarter.
Decent amount,
Yeah. She comes from extremely milky lines, and actually her dad's my permanent grand champion.
The one standing in the feed dish is dead.
Oh. Haven't even finished, and get so you're comfortable, and we catch it and then squish it out. Your hand needs to come all the way up here. Catch it and squish it out.
What's going on?
She's like, it's fine. We do this. So she's been my demo goat for quite a while. I'll spray myself. Squished it out. I can't see what I'm doing. There you go. Yep. Just no matter what you do, don't pull.
It feels so weird.
A dairy goat should never have more than 2 teeth.
It's so weird.
But when you check a goat, this is what you're looking for. So barber pole is one of the biggest killers of goats down here. Yeah, I'm almost done. Come on now. Close the eyelid with one, and you pop. Oh, she's actually pretty good. And you pop out the bottom.
Wow.
The pinker, the better.
Awesome.
You want nice, bright eyelids.
Belt that out.
They look like half dipped.
They're so cute.
They are.
The one that was available.
The darker one is.
Look, okay, so this one's available.
Those-
So cute. Look, oh my goodness, look at his face.
They're actually like a light version of Vanna.
Oh,
Oh, she's so soft.
you gonna make it hard.
So she will definitely get
she's
along better
so
with mom longer.
soft.
Yeah. So she's got little elf ears, and when I register her, she'll be considered experimental.
Okay.
I want the other one.
mix though is Nigerian milk mixed with Lamancha milk.
Oh, it's so
Really?
good. That's
Yeah.
actually why I kept
That's why we have Nigerian.
It's gonna look like this too. I've been trying to
You wanna hold her?
stop.
She said you can hold her.
Horns look so weird.
Yeah, that's because they won't have horns.
Yeah.
Nothing,
Yeah,
we have registered goats and we're not allowed to show with horns, so nothing here will have
So
them.
we were
Stage with good quality milk, like
Mom,
it's
she's
nice.
so
Oh, no.
sweet.
Milk and it's usually pretty hard.
That's what's so happy.
She's cute, isn't she?
Yeah, I like that one.
This is so sweet.
Oh, that's her baby.
I mean, that would definitely make for easier time with her.
Absolutely.
Like,
Because otherwise she's gonna do a lot of headbutting kids that aren't hers.
Yes.
It's just how it is. No, that's
Get back to
oh. See that? I vote real quick.
I want the baby.
That's still your kid.
So we've seen the goats. That was so fun. When
That's sweet too.
Vanna actually licked my leg.
Yeah, she did.
I was like, oh, she loves me.
I would probably take the baby Nigerian Dwarf. I just like that it is small and like so cute, and I've seen a lot of goats that are Nigerian Dwarfs on TV, and I think they just look cooler. And I like that they're more playful. So yeah, I'm choosing the Nigerian Dwarf.
Jojo, what's your vote? You want a goat?
Yeah.
Yeah, she wants a goat. Okay, that's her vote.
Hey Joe, do
What?
you want Vanna's goat or do you want a dwarf goat?
My vote is obviously Nigerian because I absolutely love them. And on Weedham and Reap, which we've mentioned them before, they have tons of Nigerians and they have like 2 Nubians. So I really like this goat, and it's super sweet. It has blue eyes. It's super tiny, and I mean, it will still give milk, but it's going to be a different flavored milk. Sam, what's yours?
Nigerian. Little one.
The little one, the Nigerian. Luke, which one do you want?
I'm a soft one.
The soft one. Which one was that?
The
Whoa,
one that I want.
we're vibrating. The little brown one that was going to Vanna, or the little one that I was holding?
I'm doing the little one.
The one that Mama wants to have? Okay.
I choose the Nigerian, but I also want what's best for the baby, and the one that Mom chose is Vanna's baby, and she won't bully her as much. There's also another one that gives a lot of milk, and I think Dad will really like that one. Well, because it gives a lot of milk, but... So, it's kind of hard to decide. There was one more baby, and it was a red color, and that one was just really pretty. It also gives a little more milk than the Nigerian Dwarf, but the Nigerian Dwarf, it gives a different taste of milk, and I want to try the milk.